Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Avery, and today I'm going to be walking you through my New York City Sonder stay. For those of you who don't know, I have a huge life update. In January-ish, I accepted a job working for a boutique law firm in New York City focusing on intellectual property, small businesses, and startups. The law firm is called LVLUP Legal, and I get to work with an incredible all-female team. Since then, I've been commuting between Dallas and New York once a month for about a full week period. I'll be doing this up until June 1st. That's my hard stop before I sit and take the bar exam. My law firm is extremely respectful about how I'm going to be studying for the bar full time. So on June 1st, they've given me permission to take those 2.5 months completely off to really focus on studying. So until then, I will be staying in New York, working once a month with the team. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Avery, where do you stay in New York? You don't stay there long enough to enter a lease and pay rent every month. So what I do whenever I travel between Dallas and New York, which I've been doing for the past 3 months, I like to stay on what's called a Sonder stay. They are fully equipped apartments that are a home away from home, and I can't wait to show you the full tour of the apartment I'm staying here in the financial district.